Heidi with Nest Pretty. Nest Pretty is all about making small choices every day that add up to a beautiful life. You can read all about it in the Nest Pretty Lifestyle Guide. It's on Amazon. Welcome to the Edit. This is where we look at our wardrobe that we wore today. We ask 3 questions: what worked, what didn't work, and how can we make it better? So today was a very simple look for me. I actually wasn't feeling that great, so I opted for a black pillar. And I have my work shoes on, and I just decided to wear this little cuff for a pop of color. And I know I have pool hair, and I don't care. So the first question is, what worked? And we always ask that question first. We want to train ourselves to look for the positive and just don't give up until you find it. So today, lots of positives. I love this shirt. It's very cool. It's like a tissue tee. It's also a little longer in the back, which I love. I like the neckline and kind of the cap sleeves as well. It's a very feminine blouse, and I love it. It's also very cool, and I love it. These pants as well are very lightweight, very comfortable. I love it. My work shoes are a pair of Arco Petticoat. They have an amazing arch support. I can work for 16 hours and not even get tired. What didn't work? Well, I would have to say that it was probably 88 degrees today, and I had decided last week that I was done with black for the season. Since I moved into my house, I just put all of my clothes in my closet, so I haven't separated it for the season capsule. And so, of course, I love black so much, and I always reach for it, especially if I'm not feeling well. So today, as I was going throughout my day, it was very warm, and I thought to myself, let's put the black away for the season. So that did not work, and I'm gonna change it up. Also, this is super fun. It kind of brightened my day. The third question is, how can I make it better? So I kind of anticipated when I left the house that perhaps I might get tired of wearing this, and if that was the case, I brought these beads along with that I could add a splash of color. And I usually also tie it up like that. So doing this process can actually get you to preemptively think, how can I make it better, and maybe like switch it up during the day. So that's kind of what I thought of. How else can I make it better? It could be all white, but we're working on that. So this is Heidi with Nest Pretty. I am a closet coach. What is a closet coach? It is marrying 2 concepts together. As a closet coach, I marry life coaching along with closet organization so that we work together on the thoughts that you have about your wardrobe, the thoughts that you have about your clothing, where you are and where you would like to be. And basically, by having these conversations together, it prepares us so that when we do work together in your closet, going through your items piece by piece and making decisions and organizing your closet, you are well prepared in advance for making the decisions, for curating a wardrobe you love. So if you want to know more, click the link below.